Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochetclubstore channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet the thermal stitch. This stitch's unique construction makes it excellent for items needing extra sturdiness, but not ideal for wearable items due to its bulkiness. It is particularly suitable for pot holders, bath mats, and bags. Let's get started. For this tutorial, you'll need 2.0 mm macrame polyester cord and a 2.5 mm crochet hook. Feel free to use any yarn and hook size you prefer. First, make a slip knot and chain any number of stitches. For this demonstration, I'll chain 11 stitches. For row 1, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and single crochet in the back loop only. Continue single crocheting in the back loop across the row. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now for the thermal stitch. Insert your hook through the back loop of the first stitch and the parallel loop from the row below. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Then yarn over and pull through the 2 remaining loops on your hook. Repeat this across the row. Make the last thermal stitch in this row. This is what the second row looks like. Make 1 chain and turn the work. For third row, continue working into the back loop of the current row and the parallel loop from the previous row. This creates a thick and durable fabric. Remember to chain 1 and turn at the end of each row. Repeat the thermal stitch until your piece reaches the desired length. To finish, simply single crochet across the last row, fasten off, and weave in the ends. That's it. You've learned the thermal stitch. Use this stitch for various projects, for example, crossbody bag. Check out the tutorial on my channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below with your favorite thermal stitch projects. Thanks for watching.